Hello user, today I will discuss the manufacturing module of ERP. Let me show you the manufacturing module of ERP, and in which we build the bill of material and then create the work order and then create assembly build from work order and show you the reports of manufacturing module. So in manufacturing module we have supply chain. First of all, we will create bill of materials. In earlier videos I have created item codes with assembly builds. So now I will show you how to create a bill of material of a specific item. I have created a few of the bill of materials. Let me show you one of them. This is the bill of material of a socks. Let's suppose this is the inventory item, item code 101135, and this is the bill of material name, and this is the assembly item. We can select finish items from here, and then we will select the use components of wastage if we want to add waste of the materials used in this. Here we will add row and add the raw materials of the items. Let's suppose we have this material. We will enter the quantity just like if we have in kgs. We'll add all the raw materials of items here, and this is the percentage of wastage. We can also add the percentage of wastage here. Let's suppose we have 5%. For this article we have 4%, and for this article we have 3%. So it will automatically add the quantity of wastage in bill of material. If we don't want to add the bill of material quantity, we can add manually quantity there, and we'll add the without percentage of the bill of material quantity. So this is the run rate per second per piece. This will show you the machine performance. Let's suppose we have a shift of 8 hours in which we will produce our production. So this is the rate of per piece production, or this is the time of per piece production, and this is the name of the bill of material. So we will save this bill of material, and we'll show you how it works in production. We can also see the report from here, bill of material report. It will show you the items, raw material items, their percentage and their quantity, and on top this is showing the item name, bill of material name, and memo. So let me show you how to create work orders. We'll go to the manufacturing module, and we'll go to manufacturing work order. There are two types of work orders. If we have sale order based manufacturing, then we will create sale order, and their orders for production will be automatically created in orders for production tab. So if we don't have make to order assembly items, so then we will create manually work order from here. Here you can also create work order from orders for production. Now I will create another work order for demonstration. Here if we have a customer, so we will select customer here. If we don't have a customer, we will select item manually here, the assembly item. We will select the assembly item. We have already created the bill of material, so let me show you. Here we will select the revision, and here we will select the plan quantity. Let's suppose we have to manufacture 400 dozens of this article. We will select the subsidiary and select the production start date, or we can select the production end date here. Here we can also add the memo. The bill of material of the particular item will automatically show here. So we just have to save that work order, and next step is to produce the quantity finish item. So we will go to the create assembly build. It will take us to the assembly build form. Here we select if let's suppose we have manufactured 250 items of this today, and we'll select machine number. Here machine number we can open from list of values, and we'll select the employee name here, add description, and we will select the shift here. So the material of 250 finished item, the raw material will automatically consumed here. We just have to save that assembly build. When we save this, the material of this item will automatically be consumed. And this is the report. We can see there is bill of material, quantity, and quantity to produce 250 items, and it will show here unit cost and amount as well. So we can also see the per unit cost from bill of material report. So let me show you another work order. So these are the previous work orders already created in the system. Let me show you with the cost and amount. So this is the work order already created in the system. So this will show like this: item name, unit of measure, bill of material, quantity, actual quantity, unit cost, amount, and used in bill of material. So it will show you the total amount of the bill of material work order. So if we want to see the report of that assembly build, we can go to assembly build and can make actually 60 more of this quantity. So when we add the shift and save this bill of work order assembly build, the finished item will be produced in the system, and we can see the report of that as well. This is the assembly build report and unit cost and amount of the material used in the assembly build. So now we can see the reports of manufacturing module. We go to the manufacturing module. From here we can see the work order reports. We'll go and see the work orders already created in the system. We can also filter the according to the customers, according to the sale orders, according to work orders. We can filter that as well. Here this is showing the sale order number, work order, item name, unit of measure, quantity billed, and percentage of completion. So we can download this report in Excel, or we can print in PDF. Both options are available. So we have another reports, manufacturing reports. In these reports we have assembly build report. Let me show you the assembly build report we have already created. This is the assembly build report. We can filter from there as well, from customers, from sale orders, and we can also generate the barcodes and QR codes of the. We can also generate the charts of this report according to the entries. And third one report, we have material planning report. In this report we will this report showing us what materials required to produce a particular item. So we can also see this report. So in assembly build report we can see the actual production and wastage quantity and efficiency of the machines that we already set up in bill of material. That this is the production efficiency showing. So This is all about production module. Thanks.